Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As we know that whatever era we are living right now is all surrounded by tech savvy and smart people. This 24th century is also the world where we are more handy with smart option providing application and gadgets. Today we are here with such a smart mobile application. To get the exact details of this video to the fullest, one must have knowledge about the previous videos giving the most important information about the I Am Healthy healthcare device and mobile application. For that, please go to the description box and check out immediately with our previous videos. If you like our efforts and ideas, do subscribe our channel and like the videos. Let's get started with this video. In this video, we are going to focus on the detailing of Android mobile application, that is I Am Healthy mobile app. This app is mainly important for I Am Healthy healthcare device and mobile application developed by Impel team. It comes in two types: I Am Healthy Android app, admin app and user app. Let's go to see the admin app in detail. Menus of I Am Healthy admin app include Home, Timeline, Profile and Setting, whereas Home menu includes Test, History, Highlights, Medical Help. The Home menu has Test. Through the menu, we can get three results. First, fever test. In this, we can check the body temperature and determine the fever level. We get this result in degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius. B. Oximeter test. In this, we can get results of pulse rate in BPM and oxygen saturation level SpO2 in percent. Second, history. With the help of this submenu, our test history gets recorded in this module. It is sorted as day, week and month category. Third, highlights. This submenu keeps us updated with the Google News and information related to Ministry of Health and Welfare regarding latest news updates at a single click. Medical help. As we can add our doctor in this app and we can share our test results with our doctor via call, message or WhatsApp. Similarly, here we can get state and national health team helpline numbers to call by a single click in this application. Timeline menu has this menu gives a bar graph presentation of the records of total number of the tests done in a day, week and month. Similarly, it gives number of screenings did and number of visitors passed and failed. Profile menu has first, this menu leads to create a self-profile of admin category, that is any establishment, organization, firm, school, college, etc. Second, here itself we can add our family members, staff, employees, students, etc. Third, we can also add doctor's detail to consult with our test reports as and when required. Setting menu has first Wi-Fi. This option shows the status of our Wi-Fi connectivity on or off. Second, location. Third, share the app. Through this, we can share this app to anyone with various media. Fourth, privacy policy. Fifth, terms of use gives the direction of how to use the app. 6. Support. 7. FAQ. In this way, we have seen admin app information in detail. Now, let's have a break and till then, you all go and click on subscribe as this video is very useful and informative to all. Okay, so let's get back to our another application, that is I Am Healthy user app. Menus of I Am Healthy user app includes Home, Profile, History and Settings. The Home menu includes Test, Symptoms, health highlights, and medical help. I Am Healthy user app's home menu has first test. This submenu is same with that of admin's app test module. Here we get three results like body temperature, heart rate and oxygen saturation level. Second, symptoms. This submenu provides the list of common symptoms which may lead further to seriousness. So, user has to tick on symptoms which he is suffering from and he has to select his health history option like BP, diabetes, etc. if so. Through this module, user can share this e-form to his doctor for consultation. Third, highlights. This submenu keeps us updated with the Google News and information related to Ministry of Health and Welfare regarding latest news updates at a single click. Fourth, medical help. As we can add our doctor in this app and we can share our test results with our doctor via call, message or WhatsApp. Similarly, here we get state and national health team helpline numbers to call by a click in this application. I Am Healthy user app's profile menu includes in the same way of admin app this menu works. This menu leads to create a self profile, add family members, visitors and doctors. I Am Healthy user app's history menu. With the help of this submenu, our history gets recorded in this module. It is sorted as day, week and month category. In the last, the setting menu of I Am Healthy user app. It gives the same access to the points as given in setting menu of admin app. That is Wi-Fi, location, privacy policies, terms of use, support, share of app and FAQ. So guys, it was all about both of the mobile application of I Am Healthy Android mobile app. I have given each and every information about the app here, but I must suggest for getting more clarity about the app in practical. Please go below to the description box and download both apps from the link given there. Else, you can scan the QR code given on the screen to get the app. After that, if you have any query or suggestion, do let me know in the comment box. Please subscribe our channel, like and share the videos. Till then, be healthy and say, I am healthy.